Saving money is not the only factor to consider when taking a home improvement project. Now, when it pays to call a professional, when it comes to maintenance and repairs, professionals' labors can often be one of the more costly part of a homeowner budget. While many people will opt to save some cash by doing much of the handiwork themselves. Not everyone possesses the skill necessary to fix their own homes, even with the help of industrial online videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.